Here I have LG Q7 and let me show you how to insert here nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching off the device. Press power key, choose here power off and tap power off one more time just to confirm the operation. Afterwards you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device, so let me just open the first slot for now. You can do it by using the eject tool, or you can do it by using some thumper tag. Let's just press it right here to open the slot. Alright, as you can see, the first slot is for our SIM card, the nano SIM card. So let me insert here the nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and now you can put the whole thing into your device. Just press it to the end. Alright, let's also open the second slot. The second slot is below that one, right here. Let's also use some thumper tag or special eject tool, and here you can insert the second nano SIM card if you would like to use two SIM cards, or here you can also insert the micro SD. In my case, let me just use micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Put this micro SD card that way, and you can leave this slot empty if you would like to. So let me do it. Let's just press it to the end. Now let me switch on the device to make sure that both cards works properly. So press power key, wait until the LG Q7 will be ready to use. Alright, let's unlock the device. And let's choose settings. Here you can choose dual SIM card. As you can see, the device using our SIM card, the second SIM card. Let's go back, let's choose general. Sorry, let me choose general. From general, let's tap storage, and as you may notice, the device is using the SD card, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.